Yeah, okay guys, so welcome to SMC International. Today we're going to be unboxing this RTX 4060 Ti Zotac का. स्पाइडरमैन अक्रॉस द स्पाइडरवर्स जो कि मूवी आई थी अभी वो एडिशन है. दिस इज अ स्पेशल एडिशन. बेसिकली सोनी ने कोलैब किया था इस पर एंड द मूवी रिव्यूज वर प्रीटी गुड. अभी लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट दिस कार्ड कि ये कार्ड कैसा है. ओके सो दिस इज द बॉक्स. दिस इज अ स्पेशल बॉक्स. इसमें आपको दिखता है कि स्पाइडरमैन के थोड़े हाइलाइट्स दे रखे हैं. पावर द हीरो इन यू एंड जोटैक गेमिंग की ब्रांडिंग है इस साइड एज यू कैन सी. और तो अनबॉक्स करते हैं इसको.
Oh my!
अरे ये तो स्टिकर था कोई. So you get stickers in the box. So you get this magnetic back plate. Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse की back plate मिलती है reflective. And you get these stickers from Zotac and Spider-Man. So this is also you get ये manual मिलते हैं and you get this card and you get this sticker. So this is the main card.
The RTX 4060 Ti is a mid-range GPU which is the successor to the RTX 3060 Ti. It is a 4nm chip with Ada Lovelace architecture with 4352 CUDA cores, and the boost clock for this card is 2.54 GHz, which can also be overclocked to get 10% more performance out of this card. Memory is still GDDR6 and not 6X, which comes with the RTX 4070. The VRAM buffer size is the same as the 3060 Ti, which was 8 GB. Let's talk about the ray tracing, which is the third generation ray tracing cores which support DLSS 3.5, which is the latest update, and upcoming updates will be support. GPU supports AV1 encoder and decoder. Like if you're a streamer or if you want to stream or view AV1 encoded content, so this makes a big difference in quality. This is better for live streaming and also watching content on platforms supported. Now here are all the benchmarks for 1080p. Performance is 45% more on average than 3060 Ti, but it is 15 to 20% less as compared to the 4070. With now on 1080p, here are all the benchmarks, and here are all the benchmarks for 1440p. This is a very solid card for 1440p rasterization performance without enabling any DLSS. So basically rasterization, if you want to do games at 1440p, this is a really good budget card for that. If you want higher frames, you can turn on the DLSS. According to me, this card isn't for 4K and should be kept at 1440p maximum. 4K you get like 40 to 50 frames, that is not playable. 1440p you get really good performance. The bottleneck mainly on this card is the memory bandwidth, which is only kept at 128-bit. The memory bandwidth bus is 128-bit as compared to the 3060 Ti, which was 256-bit bus. This is half the size. A 128-bit bus has resulted in lower performance in memory intensive tasks, which specifically use the GDDR6 memory. The L2 cache is more, which results in better efficiency according to Nvidia. Also, when it comes to ray tracing games are really optimized and usable. With these specs, the ray tracing and DLSS works really well. Now let's talk about the pricing of this card. Pricing of this card is around 38 to 40,000 in the Indian market at the time of filming this video. This card is really not a big upgrade as compared to the 3060 Ti. It is very similar. At maximum rasterization performance is 10% upgrade to 3060 Ti, which is not considerable when you consider it's a jump from Ada Lovelace and it's a 4nm GPU. About the pricing as comparison to the performance it offers, the pricing is really good, and the slotting of this GPU is really good. But now 7700 XT, which is a 12GB VRAM GPU, has came in the market, and performance of rasterization is more on that card as compared to the 4060 Ti. But advantages which you get with 4060 Ti are too much. Like you get the Nvidia Studio, Nvidia latest drivers, Reflex technology, you get the Nvidia broadcast software on which you can remove background from your video and also cancel the noise from your microphone. These are really content creator specific features which do come really in handy in real life for basic users as well. So all these features, also DLSS, which is DLSS 3.5. Considering all this, if you're an Nvidia fan or you have been in the Nvidia CUDA ecosystem, you can upgrade to the 4060 Ti. This is a good upgrade for those using the 20 series or even the 3060. Even if you have the 3060 or 2060, 2070, anything from 20 series, The 4060 Ti makes for a good upgrade. In 40,000 you get a card which is 1440p capable and supports all the latest AI and DLSS features from Nvidia. Visit our SMC International lot-in to check out the latest technology and products available, and also to build your gaming PC you can visit our website or call our sales team. Thank you for watching this video.